What's up everybody, my name's Faison. I'm here to review the DJI Mavic Mini 2. And just so everyone knows, I am a first time drone owner. I actually got this one for my birthday and I've been using it for the last couple months and it's been really good. It's very user friendly, and if you're looking to just get into drones and everything like that, it's a great place to start. If you want to save some money, I would probably go with the original. It's around $300 right now, versus the DJI Mini 2. It's around $500 if you just get the drone. But then if you get all the accessories and things like that, it should cost you anywhere around $600. And that's looking at the DJI website as well as Best Buy. Alright, so something cool about this drone is the fact that it only weighs 249 grams. So why that's relevant is because anything over 250 grams needs to be registered for your state basically. But because it falls under that limit, you don't have to register it and you're considered a recreational flyer. The third thing that's pretty cool about this drone is the fact that since it is so small and lightweight, it would be great for traveling. So say you want to go shoot some travel videos and things like that. The drone comes actually with this bag right here. You see it has like spots for, this is where the batteries go, the remote goes over here, and the drone itself sits right here. So it's pretty compact. The drone itself is so small it can literally fit in my hand. The remote is right here. It comes with the little analog sticks. You just take them off, put them on, and it has 3 different modes. You've got, let me see if it comes into focus. Well, I'll just tell you, normal, cinematic, and sport. And those can vary the speed of the drone when it's in flight. So just to kind of give you an idea of what it's for. It also comes with 3 batteries and a battery pack, so that way you can charge them all up. It only charges 1 at a time though. That's the only thing that's a little weird about it. And it comes with cables, so that way you can use it to make it compatible with either iOS or Android. Okay, so let's talk about video quality. The drone can shoot at 4K for 30 frames per second. So that's pretty good considering, you know, it's a $100-something drone versus the $2,000, $3,000 that you would get with one that's more professional. And that's really it as far as just getting started. Most of the things you'll kind of find out in use. It's really easy to use. You don't have to worry about opening up some big manual or anything like that. The screen display, once you hook it up, kind of guides you through all the steps of taking off and landing and everything like that. Alright, and next up I'm going to show you guys an actual clip of when I flew the drone for the first time.
Ooh, don't go too far. He record you landing. No, land in the grass. Okay. Yeah, and it could scratch the lens too. Okay, let's see. Wow, it sat down so smooth.
I'm recording with the drone too.
Okay. The way you can see it side by side.
This is 1 meter.
How high is that?
Only 26 meters.
26 meters? Based on, if you see how it look on this camera.
I'm afraid to take it till I get high as it could go.
I mean, if you gonna do it, now be the best time. We still got insurance on it for 2 years.
Yeah, the battery's a little low though.
Oh yeah, no.
I'll be back at the same time.
Okay. Wow. Do it again. Take it back and bring it back towards me. Okay.
You do this one again. I'm gonna bring it to you, and then I'm gonna bring it back. That actually was weird. It's like I'm looking at it, but I really am. Return to home right here. The aircraft will ascend to a specific altitude and return to the home point to ensure there are no tall buildings or obstacles in the area. Alright, and that's a wrap for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also, you know, in the future I'm going to be doing some more videos kind of like this and then some more fitness stuff. So stay tuned and see you next time.